At Lance Construction, what we build may vary, but one thing remains constant. There is always a story. For generations, many small family-owned businesses have served as the backbone of our local economy, proudly calling the Valley home. Back in 2020, an exciting opportunity presented itself to one such business, Woodstock Equipment, and it happened just at the right time. Woodstock Equipment purchased a nearby larger property and partnered with Lance Construction as its design builder to repurpose the existing building. The renovations and addition were completed in time for a spring opening, a deadline that was important for the seasonality of their business.
We're very happy with our new space. It overall allows our business to be much more efficient, but at the end of the day, it allows us to not just sustain our business, but to grow it for future generations. A legacy that our family started back in 1952.
Join us again soon for Building Our Communities, presented by Lance Construction.